Dobar Dan, I'm Ambassador Bob Kohorst, and I'm proud to support this valuable initiative to champion women across Croatia's armed forces and peace missions. Our U.S. Embassy team and the State Department in Washington recognize this project's importance and have awarded a prestigious Alumni Engagement and Innovation Fund grant in support of the effort. Congratulations to project leader and State Secretary from the Ministry of Interior, Irena Vuksanovic, who is also an alumna of the International Visitor Leadership Program. State Secretary Vuksanovic sets an excellent example of strategic leadership, and we are happy to support her and her fellow alumni in this project. The United States and Croatia are full partners with a range of shared goals and priorities. Croatia is a leader in Southeast Europe and a model for your neighbors as they pursue their own Euro-Atlantic path. Our joint commitment to security is most clearly embodied in our partnership through the NATO alliance. The United States was a strong supporter of Croatian NATO membership from the beginning. In the last decade, the United States has committed over $700 million in security cooperation to support Croatia. We consider these sound investments in our mutual security and look forward to the further integration of our air and land forces as Croatia's military advances through its long-term development plan. The United States further supports women's equal and dynamic participation in all sectors of society, including the military. I understand this project will focus on the position of women in the Croatian Army and peace missions, with the goals of enhancing gender equality among soldiers and cadets and promoting education to prevent any form of gender-based violence. The United States share these important priorities with Croatia's armed forces as we both seek to become even more effective military practitioners and security partners. Thank you again for envisioning this project and for deepening the already strong ties between Croatia and the United States. And thank you for your service.